Sithi kanjalo sekuphinde kwabanjalo sithi grace and peace. I really hope this finds you well and in good spirits. Ikamatheba Lukele, otherwise known as Uskim. Babu Tali, Babu Chabela. Why is that are coming from the east? Ngiphethe nje yase East Rand vandaga. Ntwana ka Gestiro Magesta. And again, it's no introduction. As a country ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyoba khona iDarling. Yakubule at the time bekusese no People's Bay. But nangu uNdlozi waDoda wavela ngeshort unhlanhla kusahamba ngo240 kilometers per hour oncoming traffic. Kwathiwe kunomfana obambe iCountry ngamantshingri. Uyibambe ngamaphasela. So mangithi needs no introduction. Le out le fly ama plane, fly ama helicopter, ihamba phansi igerira ngaphi uCommander Morning Charlie. Sengiqedile ngisho engayiqedi episode. Mhlompe. Morning.
Morning.
Commander, ibuyaphi le Commander Morning?
Commander Morning is something that I did not invent. It's always been there, but underground.
Yeah.
So in the times, Tabo Commander Chris Hani, some people don't even know other commanders like Bo Fana Hlongwane. Those people, it was necessary for them to use morning all the time.
Yeah.
Because of the spy nearly everywhere. If someone is recording the conversation, and I always greet you morning, like up 12
in the evening.
In the evening.
Yeah.
So if people are listening to that recording somewhere in offices, the intelligence, Samabur, about Lucky Society blind. But again, it's also another way of explaining it is that we are always ready, because in the morning you are at your most energetic, like you just woke up, So it's always words of encouragement to say that every single minute, every single second of the hour, you are always ready. So when I say morning, it just activates the mind to say that we are on.
Yeah.
So I want to kill, remostrating, at all.
So it is a maybe it's a call sign, a code name, a code pulling a wool on enemy's face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Phela wena ukuyotse botswere strata tswere singam lo tswere potrum ankutla wa uthomachaka yona kiyona Commander Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, sure.
Awutiyaka. Angicabanga ukuthi kunomuntu owe youth league or lo ngangathi ongageni ukuthi okay Lux ubani nani. Mara manje ngifuna ukungena deep before singena ku introduction. A lot of people liyakhona ndikholomo bayakoloza abantu kuthiwe mfethu uLux kukhona la ilahleke khona kumele siyoyidoba la silahle khona. Because bekuneminye momentum beyimove dideng. So ngathi so ku resurgence because beyimove lento all of a sudden ya stop. Waphinde wa resuscitate ya start again. Yabo? So when you one person magena shukela, you put honey and you get the same sweetness and you move on. So babuza ukuthi now the rise Lux because Lux has been climbing and igraph yakhe uhlala ku acceleration waya mara kunesikhathi la ke kwaba khona distraction. Angazi ukuphakwa or yini, but a lot of people question yabo mabe ngisendela ama DMs, they are saying Skim, we wanna know and we wanna hear it from the horse's mouth.
Sure.
Did he actually was he mokolad at some point bake bamgaya something ukuthi emfethu uthula kancane or amacala mbambe ngama-10 up because uLux we saw him as someone who's going to rule and reign, one day lead SA. Kwenzakaleni ngoLux? What was the U-turn? Where was the U-turn?
Let me tell you, this thing is very simple and I've never mentioned it on any other platform.
Yeah.
Okay, so no one has enough money to buy us. Like I've said, it's an open secret. Rona ba bang re keletsitse ko dikela tse nzima. Ka tšhelete di heist. Re tseba strata blind. Ha ona motho kang spinner. Mo politiking ke mabotswa ntho tse tsetseng ka disutu mo politiking. Aba ka seng spin.
Yeah.
A ke spine.
Yeah.
So if someone wants to then ask ba o kaile nyoko, ke nna ke ba ka nyoko. Skim ko tshela today the politician adi mfounela spale ko porthuse di taxi re na le program ke nna ke ba shanka di pass. Ha ona motho ka claimang hore no nka nyoko. Hey, already knew.
Yeah.
The real situation is that when drug dealers connived because I was putting them under pressure there in Soweto, there was no room for easy dealing of drugs. The drug dealers, with the help of Julius Julius ke bar what's fair Julius just because the drug dealer Yako Dobsonville happened to be the branch secretary of the EFF. They then adopted that fight to say that we'll defend our member. Regardless or ke drug dealer. Bang spinela di case people are under pressure. Seke tshwaro left, right and center. How many times did the Hawks come to my house? How many times were my rifles taken? How many times Barry, we can't find fault, but we're just worried. You've got more rifles than the police station has. Whose business is that? Whose business is that? So at some point, I was personally under siege. Sekudlala defense, akusakhona udlala attack because the ball is too much on this side.
Yeah.
And one thing with South Africa, people like being spectators and commentators. You know, the revolution does not belong to one man. It was not my revolution, or it didn't even belong to my intelligence scheme. So I was just carrying on where Chris left off. I was carrying on where Tsietsi Mashinini left off. Limo Strate, we're just carrying on where Scheme left off, because when people think of Scheme, banana the story that they know, which is commercial, or Nele Prantswembu, or mastermind, what the highest. Abatse ur Scheme ukentse bana ba paya skela. Abatse ur Scheme unsitse batho ba paya mo kotronko. Abatse ur Scheme ama chance amana fahlagwa na iqhubekisa kontlunga etsa show family tsa ma chance di grand. So as much as I might not have been in the main and labeled and even done crime, but I participated in that world on the positive side, because, as you know, my dad so I would see with him growing up, or there are some people we have to take care of. Some people I thought they were my siblings, and I knew later, no, the time I set a starting. That's why I had to take care of this child. And that's where the love of taking care of the next person comes from. Do you see how twisted it is? Where I learned how to love and take care of the next person, school has never taught me to love the next person. Whatever qualification you pick that I have, there's no module that has taught you to love the community. I learned this thing from Ninjata Strata, that it's very important and extremely important that we do not lose who we are. So now, going back to the core of your question, say that U10 Itswaka. U10 Itswa also understand, Dore, unlike Burkina Faso, Torre, Ibrahim would never be Ibrahim if the people were not ready. Our people are not ready. We've got too many classes, Scheme. We've got some blacks that think that they only speak English on Twitter. They can never express their point in their mother tongues on Twitter. They just speak because they've got data. Babang bako di call center na Kenya tsa span. Wa hotspot wa ko spanning. Ya ba Kenya ntho ya ko kasi. Opinion ya ko spanning ya sekgowa. Re lwantsha di drugs bana ba lona. Let me tell you on record, I don't have a problem in my family of someone immediate who's taking drugs in my family. O hluphangi di drug akna yena. Maybe family era affair. When I rise up and fight for drugs now, against drugs in our communities, it's not for me that fight. It's for our people indeed. Scheme, when we fought for electricity in Diepkloof and many communities in Soweto that did not have electricity for nearly years. And Pravin Gordhan, may his soul rest in peace. Abam phonela rentwana mamela iki checkmate sharp aya relukiseng. It's not because I knew Pravin. There was the first time he called me on my phone. I don't know, mamela ceasefire because it's too much. Now go to the N1, Rainyo, Varbato Tseba, Bamela the police station ya Barbato aba papa mar go to the chain, Pelarona sick, Batlo sick. Until they succumb to the pressure, but set electrical thing go see how. And overnight is electrical that. At my house. Whether you go to my house in Soweto, my house in the East Rand, my house, I have electricity. So I was not fighting so that I can have electricity. So go child, kiskelem seres tolang from Kostrate. No school can teach you that. So Ibrahim go Burkina Faso. There's no young child when Ibrahim was underground showing his head and coming commercial and we it's a country. We but he did not have the resistance of his own people. In Burkina Faso. There's no one who says na middle class. I even forgot or or I even forgot that I come from this church yang Khonwaka. I even forgot that I left in Khonuko Midolense or I left in Khonuko Togoza. I get a sick span, second midrand. The whole day was home. Home not. So we are too divided for us to move as a unit in this country. This country in 1994, it's what pre-94, we had the environment that vibrated with an energy of Burkina Faso. So that's why it was easy for Chris to become Chris. Chris was Chris at the age of 27.
Yeah.
He was already leading serious organizations at the age of 27. I can go on from Bo Oliva or how old were they, Mandela, for Mandela to become. Today, a 27-year-old, 27-year-old with all the access to technology, to opportunities that Chris Hani did not have. But we can't even compete and even compare ourselves to Chris. But it's not because of Chris was quality. Make no mistake, he was beyond quality.
Yeah.
But the environment complemented his mindset.
Yeah. Enabled him. Yeah.
It's wow,
Yeah.
If Tlamele Rosha, if I want to be a soccer player, I can't chill with rugby players because at some point I might just be a very good rugby player.
Yeah.
So the country is not ready for any revolution. We need to feel the pain. Credo Mutwa passed away saying that, cursing, especially black people, saying that Sansani Luto pain. Can a nete lona liso you? Tsebetsa lona di blocked to net. Re kena ko dikela scheme. Re na lo tsamaya le wena re vote because wa nyewe. Scheme, please come. Ha re fitla ko dikela. Re fitla ko dikela ntwana di ntsha di okapi, di ntsha di gun. Sometimes re thola di gun. We find guns in schools, in school bags. We take the gun, we take it to the police station, knives, everything, drugs.
Yeah.
Find all types of drugs, from lean, spova, to Menrex, to everything in schools.
Yeah.
They even confess these kids, they deal drugs in schools. They drug dealers dressed in school uniform. We'll deal with them, and trust me, 24 hours later, there's a case open against you. By who? By a parent. I don't know, my child came, says you guys were harassing them at school. Harassing them at school. So this country can never be ready for a revolution, simply scheme because we've got children who have the right to adult their own parents. Bana, ba parenta batho ba baholo.
Yeah.
They are literally parenting their parents.
Not from a parent to a child.
Not from a parent to a child.
It's vice versa.
Yeah, vice versa. You can't even discipline your own child. There are people right now behind bars. Ba ileng hore ba tshwarisitse ke bana ba bona. But the system doesn't think. Ha o fetsa tshwarisa mmao. O sala ko ntlong at the age of 16. Mmao na o shapela hore ska tlala strato tsa mamasiwa.
Yeah.
Maybe o kena o na le pusha wena. So le mme mo ntlong wena. E wena hore police station. Police station e mong ka confess ba mshape ka a few months behind bars. What happens to that child of 16 years?
Yes.
What happens to that 16-year-old girl whose hormones are out of control?
Yeah.
Ba na le mathaima rona na le bo ma 50 something, 60 something. Ba jola le bana ba. Ba ba sponsor. Ba ba sponsor ba ra tshwara 1000 la lo fila le seyo. Se ile house party kontlong. House party it's a maling teenage pregnancy. Ngwana sa niswa bjwala o na re mimathini. Mma o tla mlela. Society is just upside down. Scheme.
Yes. I'm tempted, Lux Khore. Let's go deep down and under because I want us to dive in deep in this political arena.
Yeah.
You know, he said, she said, they said, you know, abantu bana leanto to agree to disagree to agree. Lento politiki, it's so diluted such that you'd end up being confused. You cannot not let me disengage.
Yeah.
Because it's like arguing about God. Abantu bayaya bafike ba-argue kushaw 4 ekuseni bahleli bamitsa ka mamitso ba bang ba re keng ba bang keng. So ipolitiki has turned leyanto say substandard in a sense that everyone feels good no nama could stand kusasa ekuseni.
Sure.
So let's just unpack lento ipolitiki.
Yeah.
What do you think is happening? Do you think lento is Kelem Esisha? It's a new heist. We must just be brutally honest with it. So that amajita hleli bavula ama organizations unabothatha zonke kasi formations are strong out here but aba diluted because kufika ubani bana fika infiltrate atshale something aplant nje two clipanyana ifika dilute amount uyazi ukuthi amajita dry amajita vela afuna ukuthi sanibanga grab and shower fast uyangifasta. So I want us to unpack lento yepolitiki including vele kufaka bona abo G kunaba abo Kenny naba abo Malema naba abo bani and manje bona bangene bayibona kuqala banokugcopa amajita ukuthi lamajita amanye abangayiboni abantu bayofela ejele bafele kula ma-highs babhomane babhonywe yila amabhomo wabo nani. Politics may out yini politics of the now.
Look, politics is a system that was born offshore. It's not something we created. Tina. Politics is a system for me that provides an excuse, not reason.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying that is, if you steal my laptop, and when I find you, or maybe a car is a perfect example.
Yeah.
If your grandfather steals my father's car,
Yeah.
my father's car that's missing is now something that I inherit when he's gone.
Yeah.
I'm now speaking about what actually happened in this country.
Now.
And when a roadblock finds you driving your inherited car, but S-mark, stolen mark, and then there's a system that's created that says, no, we understand it's stolen, but can you then let us know when you want to use it? Asbalik bata,
Yeah.
So they put politics as a system in place to try heal a pain that politics does not understand. O ka seng rumele ke lo fodisa setjhaba ke sa understand the pain ya setjhaba. Politics in its nature is there to serve its members, not the people. So you need to be a member of ANC or member of DA or
EFF, PA,
so I'm not trying to not be progressive in terms of taking the country forward. But the truth of the matter is that the politicians just buy a large majority by baspina.
Yeah.
Baspina.
Yeah.
Scheme, there's a lot that you do.
Yeah.
That deserves half the budget that these politicians have to take their girls to Dubai. Why it's a budget a politician is on cherry Dubai? Oh, no, why mamela nka bitsa ka mabitso nna ba akba tshabi anyway.
Yeah, come on.
Mari, so I'm then saying to you, if you say to yourself you're the MEC of education or you're the MEC of transport.
Yeah.
And I share about cherto cholan tsona kan rinjata strata rona re ni di oblello cholal mang ra oblello cholal mang nna nka o chaelo re sha ngwana ko valley ke mang lebitso lae o shamangwa ko Soweto shamang because strata ke sa rona on so bana bao ha ba sheba mamela jo baka wela Dubai for window shopping ba khutle ba o tlatse ba re baby ke bone beke o mo fe mkotla a khutlele Dubai a lo pam kotla a khutlele kasi araba mkotla ka rasona ai ka rasona mkotla kai venyu araba tse ba tsara philane bona otone so people that deserve the light are in darkness. That I can tell you for sure.
Hey, that's powerful.
I'm telling you,
heavy
people that are actually God sent. People that are generally very, very, very much in need of opportunities. They're never presented by opportunity because the world we live in now, Satan. I know governor ke Satan.
We are on our own. We are on our own.
No, we are all on our own. We are all on our own because even if you look at these political parties, you ask me what's politics, and basically we must just generally speak of politics.
Yeah.
I'm telling you now, there's no man that will convince me they can change the community, the city, the province, the country if they can't change their own homes. These people in parliament, some of their kids are on drugs.
Yeah.
But you expect to drugs. Some of them, they haven't even slept with Bomme Barona. Our fathers don't even in parliament there. They haven't slept in the same bed as our mothers. They're sleeping in reses. The res ko vetsi ko kai. And you expect that person to have the best interest of this country. Can't even keep a family together. Go interview their women. They are mamela. Our mothers are disgruntled in those homes of politicians that are serving in parliament. Go interview those winner scheme.
Yeah.
All those mothers of these politicians. They'll tell you that we are under siege. Some of them are even scared of going to test whether they're still HIV positive or negative. So you can't expect someone who's in parliament to change the country. Scheme. We can't.
Yeah.
Can't. If they can't change their family, that's impossible. Take any politician in parliament, any, even male or female, because we've got females now. Go to their original community scheme. There are drugs being sold. There's youth unemployment. There's GBV left, right, and center. They failed to make an impact and a contribution in their family. How dare you expect them to make that contribution in the country at national level? Where? Which point? The drugs man. Now I'm not convinced by a man that can change his family or take his family to the next level.
Yeah.
If you as a man in that family found your family in one position
Yeah.
and you're going to die or grow old with the family in the same position or even worse,
Yeah.
I can't trust you with the country or the community, Chief.
So ngitlo ubutsa ka chelete ka nyuko because usually i-budget bana ukutshela ukuthi the city of Johannesburg SCOJ i-budget is about 72 billion under i-admin yaka umeya uDada Morero.
Yeah.
And then ekuruleni bathi hayi man nangu uDr Nkosi Ngiphile Qhakaza i-budget to 52 billion. So in the end kuvalwa ama-freeway kuthiwa ama-traffic opata fok ayigitshelwa manje same abantu ekuthiwa mfethu lamele ba-protecte ba-defende badonse hard fall.
Yeah.
These fools they stole 2 billion bayibhathula nje klar i-city stand still.
Sure.
Kwenziwani kanti ngale mali mchana? Is it because thina vele abodaki sikheswe ngale ndlela yokuthi asikwazi ukuphatha izinto? Kunalo sister beka interview uDJ Sibungu zoba am-attacker athi lalela akekho ready uDaki chief. Until angazi nini because yonke into ayibambayo it tends to ashes. Is it because the state of readiness or greed and desire?
No. You know, the reason why I haven't joined politics, I'm going to tell you, I've been given so many political offers. Office bearer. I'm supposed to be in office, whether of this political party, many political parties, including you, Julius. I've denied all these opportunities in that politics because I understand politics is not a vehicle.
Julius man.
Yeah. Julius akaskopanile never khamana nkamo khama ke ngwana a tswa vacationing rona re tswa vacationing ne re khamwa every day ne re dlala game tsa go khamana
ke batla taba ya oli CIC tsantse re lefatse re ke re bua
ne ra ine ke pari man tlamele ke you know what I must do. I must go walk into parliament and test everyone for drugs. Go once some of them the first ones are going to test positive for drugs. We can't allow this country to be led by politicians ba tsubandi drugs ke di pari ntho tseo
wena likheni libua ntho engwe jwale ba ile mthako wa mamina
mamela
ena manje ayithi limani ba mamela bra yazi ngiyazibuza plug ngawe ithatha utlo bua re awa isidai network ya skim GP nyana tsantse ikwaliwe ba bua ka nna mola ba nyela batho ba
hayi u bua nna whiskey ska divert urula divert u bua nna address ka public na address ka very public
aunga head on because
akaseke nna ke
maybe this time utla hlahela
mamela na man na ke tla chaela di vartse ding skim nna ke ne ru ipaisa mo wena o tseba ntlo re a ke short ka anything monna ka tla monna unshibile so tlo ba le party ngwenze a ke motlemedi Julius and I think it's a grand as karenga ka nna because of dinja tsa ka tsa manete yena ona le dinja tse leng gore di sponsor ka di o ntsha di khumbi ba lobina nna ntja tsa ka di bini mfethu they in and out of prison, they in boardrooms, they in government, even in that political party of his kina linja tsa ka tse ke di sponsor di da
mara o hotspot abantu because remember it's a ubua ka lihloyo ubukhuluma ngenzondo kunabantu abanokufika ba hotspot abantu abanye ukuthi bazonda abanye. Remember he has 1 million people ukhuluma ngalo muntu so uzonda abantu abaya 1 million
uskamplela 1 million people swag Julius, let me tell you, the EFF is fourth class citizens. If you look at politics, they were once third class. MK afitla but treble but triple fast. It's a fourth
MK in fact
lisbua ka convenience. We are the fourth biggest party. Biggest.
Yeah.
If Nerma Torreta Sports, you don't even get a medal. You're not on the podium. What do you mean you're the fourth biggest? Biggest? What's biggest? Ay manale menganya. Mararska artwele EFF cause telling ntwana tsa ka tsa kasi a di boda bo makoka ba boda ke rona re sponsor and funeral. There's no way.
I go personal.
I personal for call. And no battle chest trapper at your own risk. Mara personal tswana le Chiefs le Pirates. Le tla tsala le lwana lona mara. Life is sports. We move on. Ka sa nuka papa maskin ba re ke ko parlamenteng because that's what life is, but that will never happen because backbone ya ka strata and that's too strong. I can need to carry you or sendela iwalat.
Yeah, Marakiro Obola, the first question I go about, a lot of people were under the impression now right again Untantla Lux he's a standalone. He's an entity, you know. When you are a government on your own. But all of a sudden, you were seeing black, green, and yellow, Matafatsi, Kamo, kim Japan kambe ki scheme ki bra TK Nciza
Yeah.
ki Panyaza
I can tell you. Look, for me to support the African National Congress during the last elections, and the word is support. I'm not a member of the ANC. I'm not. I support the ANC.
you're not a card carrying member.
I'm not a card-carrying
Umatha
member.
akana me bro.
It doesn't matter how much Naskim, I've been taught to do things hard. When I play hard. When I'm
you work
when
hard.
I work hard. When I love you hard. Yes, hard. I'm just an extremist in that way. Yabo?
Yeah.
So when I decided to support the African National Congress, let me tell you what I was supporting. I wasn't supporting Cyril Ramaphosa. I wasn't supporting TK Nciza, who was the provincial secretary. I wasn't supporting Panyaza. I was supporting Black Unity because the ANC continues to be a platform that has the biggest numbers in terms of uniting Black people. Black Unity is the magic to our success as a people.
But it's characterized with violence and corruption.
Unfortunately,
unfortunately,
what others characterize it as is their opinion of it. What I am saying to you simply is that ke batla mo batho ba kopaneng, ba batho ba bantsho ba kopaneng, so I can add value.
Yeah.
If a lot of people were mobilized under Schem's political party, if there's one, I would come and say that under this platform of Black Unity, here's my contribution. Black Power.
But the assumption is in Tlantla, the highest bidder went.
What highest bid?
In terms of the black green and
Let me
yellow.
tell you, the highest bidder is in
The alignment.
the highest bidder is in office. What do you mean? We can't not align. We can't not align because what happens to Soweto, the people that have faith in us in Soweto, they then say, leadership, what do we do? Where do we go? There's too much confusion on social media. So it's important for me to take a stance because otherwise I wouldn't be a leader. It's not easy being a leader. I took a stance, my personal stance, made it public and said that we are going to unite and support the biggest platform where Black people are. Not the smallest platform. Let me tell you, your intelligence can never be above the people's intelligence. Your power can never be above the people's power.
But the people that believes in Lux as an entity, what happened to them? Because abanye, they are lost in despair. Excuse me, I'm just speaking for the minority.
So maybe, Scheme, we must clarify it here. I've been saying I have no ambition of being a politician. So if your interest in Lux is that we want to follow him into politics, where do we go? I will never ever go into politics. That means you're going to be in limbo for a very long time. I'm not going to politics. I love Pirates with all my heart. It's my team. It's my father's team to the grave. We tell apo da re mkenya skipper sa Pirates. Skipper sa Pirates ke ikentse mo boxing ya my guest. So I want to then tell you something. I'll never play soccer, but I will support Pirates. I'll never play politics, but I will support politics. Because it's all our responsibility to do such.
On that note, Chief, allow me to ask you this question because a lot of people are asking this question. Good, but the Pirates, why aligna neingulube? Mangithi ingulube ngikhuluma ngeclever. Wonke umuntu ongathi akekho normal. Mangithi umuntu akekho normal. Uskin, Pirates, Lux, Pirates. Uyangithola? Uyababala labantu laba ababhaya. Mawubabhekile ababhaya bakhona kunale Pirates. Ithi ngikuthathe ngikuse eDanyani. IPirates eDanyani bayibiza umzomnyama. Hayi. Makuzodlala iPirates ngizokwenza Chief ngedabi. Ijele lasheka Chief kuma 28 26 20 akusebenzi number. Kusebenza Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs. Mara mawuthi yabheka le ingulube as committed serious heinous crimes le kuthiwa le ingabuya nekhanda lomuntu ibhakanile. Why ithandwa iclever iPirates? I'm not offending anyone. I hope no shaman. Uyangenza ukuthi awushaman omunye ukhuluma enye into and I'm not saying anything and I'm not insinuating also. I'm just saying why we club clever? Because ngathi sesibhutshweni mara ngapha hayi kuneyingulube man.
Look, I want to tell you something that you should never forget. When an organization is led by moya, itloba moya. Itla latela ke dipart tsa moya. Just I can ka moya spiritual. Bua ka moya.
If
an organization is led by someone who understands the boardroom and the streets,
Yeah.
naturally, those from the boardroom will resonate, those from the streets will resonate. Pirates is a people's team. Pirates is a team that people can associate with and resonate with because of it's like a family. Ufila, it's a home away from your home.
Yeah.
Pirates itlhokometse batho.
Yeah.
That countless. Pirates e changetse maphelo a batho. And se ke bua a ke re pirates nka e tshwantsha. A ke forced hore tshwanele nka e tshwantsha le ANC.
Yeah.
It's the oldest liberation movement, ANC, in this continent. Pirates, when you look at the people's teams of color,
Yeah.
Waka Pirates, Waka Cosmos, Waka.
Yeah.
So the one that still carries that badge at the highest level remains to be
Barani.
Pirates.
Yeah.
So Pirates ki team elidileng ki di clever on and off the field. If I tell you the history of some players, o ka ba nyatso ba shebile na nore ke bo Brantswemo ke dintja tsa strata ku ka tsa bona.
Yeah.
Most players,
Yeah.
ak ba tlo bua mabitso a bona.
Yeah.
Ko strateng ba ba hlompha. So when you look at Pirates, there's never been an era mo Pirates mo snang Ntwane Slim etswang ko Val, Ntwane Slim etswang ko Soweto, Ntwane Slim etswang e ba etsang Ntwane Slim etswang Kgongqa, etswang somewhere fair mo batho ba sa tsebeng lo tsebe hore e teng ka se jwalo sheba bo Phumutso Manenzi. They come from places in Venda that people only learned that libitso leo ka Phumutso. So ko Pirates ka re ina le little Kemi that knows how to capture the nation. Pirates like capture like nation ha bohlokampe.
Yeah.
Pirates it's not a commercial team. Akinya the Chiefs. Marco Chiefs maybe kore re fair ne mara ke batlo politic. Chiefs e ka re bo Man City ka re ke commercial team man. No na le glitter buy.
This was a traditional team.
How sure ke gold or ke glitter mara hwa sha yena man. Una le ntho etsalang go Chiefs. Go Pirates. Re plain, re black and white mara re nsema over. O shine quality ya rona, o shine what meets the eye, wabo?
Yeah. Awungihlanganise no Sherman. The next question and angakakhohlwa I know ukuthi mabasa like aba subscriber to the channel. Basazobuza ukuthi eSkimbo ubuze ngalama billion adliwayo 72 billion 52 billion angikhohlwa ke mina ke ukhuluma neclever la I understand. The power that resonates, that connects Ulux because you are an impulse in fact. You connect the nerves.
Sure.
President Ramaphosa shekile ngesandla, Dr. Ivan Khoza shekile ngesandla, abo Grootman abo FH wonke lama leader now ekuthiwa strong none. Is it because now you are an epitome of cleanliness because labantu they connect nalento abayibonayo ukuthi they identify nathi because no umuntu ofika ahlala phansi and say no Michael Jackson bekabheka Elvis Presley. So le network ibuyaphi? Do you have connections ezikubackupayo wena or wena uthembe wena uwe nje straight?
I think Makhotmana le matime ne. I think bangufatela because of akintwana tsa di iwalat. I wish you could change the culture. Like I kopana le bona ke batle for call mo bona. Instead it's what can I do for you?
Yeah.
I wish our young people can have that mindset. Laba ka re mamela ke scheme una le di billion scheme deputy president le bona ba tseba se re ke president ya country ne president Cyril Ramaphosa.
Yeah.
Ko Soweto ko bona ke nna president ya because of ke motho wa Soweto.
Yeah.
Until maybe ke wona le the new president of Soweto parliament and that, so we've got that respect for each other. So asore ke re bam back up a o lentswembu shebona no ne ke fahlakilwe. I was arrested. Where were all of them? They were nowhere. And if I have a weak mind, I can say they pretend as if they like me. But now I've got a spiritual mind. I then understand that when they look at me, they know that the problem can be bigger than me. They've got so much faith in me.
Yeah.
Mara ane le ntwana pare tswang mamina fela bua le batho mo crowd maybe ne ba ka ichampela ba ba ithusa ba ife toilet paper phumule mamina. So now what's your jaka na le handkerchief ke sure. But all
Iring ngondo ya hao awurulo shekaltso le Ramaphosa the first time. Awubitse ka lebitso me bra. Did you ever feel at some point gore itse king no man kitseni phakathi inside get relevant because the man there is just no way gore u kopanele na somewhere in the corridors of power ne ba bua ka nna.
Yeah, look, you see, my ambitions and interests have nothing to do with politics, like I said, or even being in government.
Yeah.
So I understood my role as a pressure group that made sure government moves in a certain way so that the service delivery that is fast-tracked for our people, etc. So there's no way that they wouldn't know me. At some point, the newspapers, every newspaper, nearly more the headline in Zion about king of xenophobia, king of what, intentionally misinterpreting what we're actually saying to the nation. So we knew that that type of intelligence, the president's office will receive it, etc. So I'm Peter Kalbito first time I came on. It didn't, because I'm a realist, you see. So it didn't like give me a bigger ego or big head or whatever, because lenna ke re ke mmitsitse ka lebitso. Ke re President Cyril, are President Lux. So I'm sure Liena Mwaling, no one is asking him more, how Lux now bitsa ka lebitso. So for me, I don't have inferiority complex. Ha ke kopana le motho ba reng ke last number. Le nna ke last number ko ke tswang teng. And I saw ke competition ya bo last number. But if genuinely how ntse cloud na I'm very consistent ka botho. I can le botho bo bias game. A ba tlo tshela maka motho whether a ke mo tseba ke mo tsebe ke mo kenya khuntas. La re tlo phaga la re tlo lata because of ona re ona le data o bua o lona le mo setse e chaya yao a ro lata go lata ka hlompho blind ko eno tla ntshela ngore tlamele khopo go re mnate mo hlompho antol. So I'm not starstruck by these people because I think gore I don't have the interest that's within their field. So maybe in aviation, how here's Asnat Mahapa. Nkare yo, sister man. By the way, Asnat Mahapa is one of the first female pilots more South Africa. And so maybe it's within my real interest of expertise. So I can't be starstruck by politicians and what and because my intelligence in my time of us, it's not by mistake that we can make this country stand still. It's not by mistake that we've got what we have in terms of contributing to this country. It's not by mistake. I say like ipagete. Marabula like ipagete. What's on Twitter? Why the rings? The whistle.
Find.
Yeah, it's by design. It's by serious effort and hard work, which comes with having underground systems to understand what's going on in the VAL, to understand so that when you make decisions, the informed decisions. Our was Konka power so that so we understand what's going on in the country. So for wena, not wena, because wena we understand alone. For wena mthokontlung, how bona politician, ukaba starstruck. Yo mama, na kina lo Kenya because ke a tseba gore tshwere tšhelete ya batho mara e fihle ko bathong. So ko bona it's a different approach and a different view as to compared to mtho sa tsebeng virus.
Lux, one would ask a question then to say, this man is an eloquent speaker, one, well articulated, and he understands the dynamics, he understands politics. Now, because you are rooted in the things of obviously, see, to in the things of God, you understand religion, understand Islamic religion.
Sure.
So, we tsunya ka eng go di thunyeng me braba di man o dula ke di combat o rata hard life di man and di man u fly the holoplane and vat and ufunani ngai Lux, why the love of guns and stuff then come coupled with the unrest.
Sure.
Because when Lux really shot to fame to other people, it was because of he was the last line of defense. Kadi rifle
yeah, so ke khotse, my first experience of guns ne time le mpitsai ne dinkisa scale ha ona le di roadblock le banka di kan kaofela ke bulela ka ntho ya ko crash banka di kan ke di kenye mo school packing ke tse kar ke kelile maburu abatape fa ganela ba bue re nene no siskela vat. That was my first experience of guns. The rifle ke di bone ko ntlong pele and I mean the honest truth is that ke tsene di spana ko strateng. But I told myself that my responsibility I'll time I'll invest in me so much because so skilled child ki leskela ka nyogo ya di heist ka nyogo ya ko strateng. So hanna ke khonno thola opportunity I'll time I tholang ke le exposed le Montonta strata ke na le boutlwa ba plan or mamela Post Bank ke hopola ke mametse plan ba lo sha Post Bank in fact na ke le skela ke na nne fela Post Bank ke spale ke re aya sharp you are no aya sharp you are Post Bank you know and a shop up by sharp by sharp ke matlong gafelang skela for go primary go Parkes primary gafa for the whole primary till ke tswa go primary yo. So my responsibility in the family was to make sure that I inherit the intelligence but not the practice of doing what they were doing. I want Nakia for a reason. So one of the things was to take that hobby for Nakentwana pe like is kana ki operation in Gayon, I kilosha heist gayon. So I am now into this thing. Get twice a whole need. Like I'll tamalol paya transi. La paya PM pill, you're a PM fan. Tamalol Fever Pirates. Our pilots keep us up Brendan Silent. That was my first t-shirt, by the way, a pirate. Brendan Silent, Pagania West. So the kaniki didn't from Pupilobo, Bonikibo Bona Pastrate. Ebeketa Shorna. Kitoba body can. And Kitoba blind, Kitoba more competent than these people. And it's like I did about legal. My dad first time at AK illegal. Neliaka. I saw Kiboniwana.
Yeah.
Because apartheid robbed our parents from childhood, from Obangwana. So, but Bankiledi Kanbal Banya. Now, how old were you when you first carried an AK-47?
15 years.
You were 15 years. So now imagine when your son says that I'm now 19. I want you to come and see my arsenal, not my gun. Tamalakal fitla konna kimulela be safe. My men as a believe arantonaka. Wetala atatazela. Kira adim not kofela ki sheba arantona sheba. Kalo chencha AK. Illegal. So for me, that was just like a boys moment and boys toys, cars and guns. But unfortunately, keyboard plate and disc makokota karama mela just like I did with the guns.
Yeah.
Kakenaka Gaston Martin soft top go spread view. Is trendy kakal time makarta mo pazolo the ulolo pazolo kating. I was tell a lo padizolo atama Gaston Martin soft top. My pride is what I promised myself to say that I'm going to take the criminal life and convert it into legal life.
Yeah.
And make sure that everyone and make sure that everyone that comes after me finds an example of living within the boundaries of the law, because that's very important.
Yeah.
It was necessary for them. It was not a choice. But for me, it's a choice. And the choice that I made was to ensure that I do more than what they could. I achieve more than what they could achieve. And I make sure that the next generation has something to inherit. I inherited intelligence, theory.
Yeah.
But the next generation inherited the triple story, the double story, because of responding need. And the foundation of Spansak, intelligence, you can never undermine that. Half the resources that I use, even the intelligence that I operate on, my operating system, did not come from school. It came from the experience strata.
Our touch issue ya di billion tse di subella di nyamalla go government.
Or go mina before bare se ke tshwana le ntwane ba reng ke Julia mamina sa tswa fela mo.
Ya bona mago relax ne nale issue ka Chuchu. Ne one time bengisakhuluma namajita akhe ngithi ne man usiya isingi afisa ukuhlala naye because ngifuna ukutype kwelinye side. Leli lamajita angalikhulumi. Maybe ke it's relevant ukuthi let me just bring it up one time. Lama uthi chief imali ziyangama back kubo. And they know it. Bayazi ngikhuluma ngani in confidence. Uyabo? Now the difference between them and uSkim then uSkim bekayenza lento illegally ngama-unscrupulous ways inyuka yakhe behlala ifihliwe ufaka i-10,000 uyayikhipha bona bayabhathula mara bayilegalize. I'm not sure if uyangithola. So ama position abaspanela because abokhata bareporta kubo, i-system reporta kubo, i-justice reporta kubo and bayiyo i-system view. You understand? So uSkim bekana defense mechanism, bekana backup. That's why I end up apayiziseka. But if bengifike kulesikhathi sano, that is why ngithi maybe I wasted my time. I should have invested with politics. You understand? Then branded myself, ngizibhowe, then ngibe le entity ngizokwazi ukubaphikisa. I think into engifuna ukuthi mina ngigaye uJulius ngaye credit to say uyibonile le ukuthi ngikelezwe yibo labo Clef ngiyawubhathula lo mshini ngiyabajikela ngibashanga induku zabo labantu. So le nyuku yiphi indlela uThabo engenza ukuthi at least incosi intwana esikhuluma nazo igele zikwazi ukuyodlala kule space. I-president announce uma 700 meter about gender based violence I was in the forefront at that time with abokhwela Tebza. Ayike i-team ebeyiduma ngento ye-gender based njengathi. Azange ngidle ne-cent yalapha mina, azange ngibone ne-cent, azange ngigibele kuthiwe nayi inyuku engihambile or ngiyothenga inani bebasinikeza le inkukhu zabo eKota Lake eziqinile babakubiza kulama events wabo nini wamokhathana kwama-ribbon. So le nyuku angazi ukuthi iya kubo bani. Ngiyithatha just to name a few. There's 700 billion. Inyamalele chief. Kune 2B ekuruleni. Inyamalele. Kune nyuku ye-COVID 500B inyamalele. So kwenzakalana espacini intwana futhi siempara kanjani ukuthi izodlala espacini ngoba indlela ila kule politiki.
Yeah. So they'll continue to call you from your communities to get inside kumbis and buses to go to stadiums and sing Oliver Tambo. They'll continue to call you because you are unemployed and you're available to go to toy at people's businesses and firms and etc. Simply not because they are powerful, simply because you allow them, number one. We allow politicians to steal this money. You can never steal money in a room full of people who don't have an identity crisis. Our people don't know who they are. Let me tell you, the way people don't know themselves, I can even give you a practical example.
Yeah.
Even some people in this room perhaps will tell you, people know their mother and father's graves, their grandfather and grandmothers, because there's two grandfathers, two grandmothers' graves. They don't know beyond that. If there's someone that knows beyond that, they are very lucky, but they can't even go past that.
Great grand. Yeah.
So that means you have no clue of who you are, because that knowledge is part and parcel of who you are. Because I'm not saying only DNA or go worship those graves. I am not even there in conversation. I'm saying if you understand that grave, you might even now be privy to how that person died. Is cancer something that's in your family? So therefore you can know how to prevent the problem before it comes. It's a lot to do with you because you are a result of them. That thing is very simple. Very, very simple. But it's been too basic. So politicians will continue to steal money because of moya we are quite we are east, we are east, we are west, we are west. A proper system that we're supposed to be having is that communities funding must be decentralized, not central. That's where you find 2 billion missing. If Soweto tola nyuga yayona, Ekuruleni tola, Togoza tola nyuga yona, Spraitis tola nyuga yona, to say that we've I mean, from a budget point of view, you guys submitted that the trata di kawatele, di keladi batla inye, sports salona su costa bukana, tora nyuga lon. Then ukono kata nyuga ili mokasiao.
Yeah.
Nyuga Soweto ili mo bank account nya Soweto ukono reshebile. Marai matakwa. Bosa tsibe ngore kwa kiko kae. Bolo se bo spin, not robatlo spin, bo sharpile. Never heisting or no.
Yeah.
If we bua language heist.
Yeah.
Nyuga fetwa ikov. Ebe kaya auter kalo kopana leona, afa leona, eva. Ngono bantu bang kemisa mo loko ngitsura 5 million. What? Ke kaya auter sa itsebe. So no nyuga lona community nyuga lona.
Yeah.
South Africa. It's for batho ba sa batsebeng.
Yeah.
At whether at city level, at provincial level, at national level, nyuga lona it's for batho ba sa batsebeng. You can't even account. You can't even hold them accountable.
Yeah.
You can't. Tell me when in the history of South Africa has the people ever held any person in political office accountable for taking even 10 rands? You can't even hold these monkeys and fools accountable for being drug addicts while in parliament. What do I suppose spina 2 billion? Oh no, the habits are bona tsa banyana ba di Dubai because when you look at how much they earn, these people, it's nothing. It doesn't even make sense the life they live.
Yeah.
But like it's a lifestyle audit, but well as whole. Audit agema. But I know there's a committee in place that's looking into the matter. Who's heading that committee? But if we decentralize power, and the power trickles down into your communities, my man, we all know each other in the communities. Unananga spina 2 billion kidula Soweto. Yabatu Soweto.
Never.
Bamela nka
Never
tjhaedi.
utswa na, yeah.
Never ke tswe le kakase.
Yeah.
I never.
Re kwala ka spirituality because you are
Sure.
grounded me out
Yeah.
as a force, and definitely muthu mamambe ahlala themfethi yazi ma aligned spiritually i-network ne-frequency yakhe ihlala ibambile kahle
Sure.
i-radio ayishishizi. So I want to know, maybe if you may allow me, into your own space so that we empower people at home. Nintwana ezihleli zithi mamela mfethu na I connect, I resonate, and I'm looking up to Lux. But it's just that the how part, you know, the where, the who, the what, the why. Nazi into engifuna sizikhave ukuthi usubscribe kuphi in terms of level of spirituality. One, if you don't mind me asking, because a lot of people they are saying, okay, right now masithi uJesu inkosi nomsindisi, oh okay, kimzalwane, yabo. Mawuthi Allah, oh okay, sengiyazi ukuthi oh Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Sure.
Masithi at all. Then once abantu they connect, now they understand ukuthi okay, right now what makes you tick as Ulax, because
Sure.
once ungekho aligned, then definitely you are a body that's divided against itself. It will never stand. You
for
understand?
sure.
We need distraction.
Yeah.
Level of spirituality. That's how we wrap it up. We just want to align no Lax Manjuguti. What keeps you going?
Sure. So I'm extremely spiritual. There are some people that are extremely religious. It's not easy just to talk because the definitions are not the same, or you can misinterpret what I'm saying. In my house, I've got the Quran, I've got the Bible. Nka bolela ka majuta,
Torah,
or
yonke,
porita jwang, the Torah.
Yeah.
So when it's Friday, if you're my Muslim friend, I'll remind you what to do. When it's Sunday, you're my Christian friend, I'll remind you what to do. I did not allow myself to be confined and limited by one teaching.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure that I understand the world for what it is, because I understood religion as an instrument, what it is. So I needed to understand its impact and largely how far its tentacles go.
Yeah.
So I had to then travel with it in different directions. But at the center of what grounds me, Skim, is my African spirituality.
Okay.
African spirituality, skana no re ke badimo le sekupu.
Yeah.
That's the commercial side of it.
Yeah.
African spirituality is understanding yourself, African identity. I'm very grounded in my identity. That's why I'm telling you that there's no man that will change the community or the country if they fail to change their family. Spirituality, even if you read the Bible, it's very important that you know how to take care of your people. And your people start with those that you share a roof with. You can't claim to call other people your people. Bamo, wapalwa. You can never.
Yeah.
So what grounds me is the conviction, is the identity, is my rooting in this African soil.
Yeah.
I'm very rooted in my position as an African. Even those that would say he's xenophobic, he's not pro-African, other African countries will laugh at you.
Yeah.
Simply because of, as young as I am, go to Ethiopia. They will tell you in Ethiopia that this man was side by side with us, fighting in our Tigray conflict, in our war.
Yeah.
So, to answer you, I'm extremely grounded in African spirituality. If you want to also trace Christianity, you'll find yourself in Ethiopia.
Yeah.
So when I say African spirituality, you must actually sit down and understand.
Yeah.
All life started in Africa. Akbatlofana history. So, hard kalar kikena ko kai kai ba utlwile bohloko. Nka rapela phala mrutu wao. Nka mamela.
That's one to chase a rifle,
mamelo. No, it's in Kausan. So I've allowed myself to reflect nature.
Yeah.
Nature has seasons.
Yeah.
So do I. So sometimes you might find that I do well in the summer because I can resonate with the summer and I can survive in the summer. I can survive in the winter. I can survive in autumn. Some people don't even know what's the basic of each season, spiritually or physically. You see, so that's who I am.
Yeah. On season, off season.
Sure.
Evergreen.
Yeah.
4:10. Sevala. Charlie, uvayile uworkanti uyogura uyangaphandle.
Sure.
Angazi ke ukuthi mhlambe what's the consideration criteria in terms of i-country. Say chief, ungabe uyobhajwa ngale mele siyokulanda wena mawuva uyangada.
You sign indemnities. When we speak English, it's easy. People understand it. Yeah, Russia, Ukraine. And you've got Americans going to assist, volunteer to go assist Ukraine. And you've got some people assisting Russia.
Yeah.
But when you start saying Angola, when you start saying Nigeria.
Hey.
Your mind somehow doesn't believe that you can move from South Africa to go assist Ethiopia.
Yeah.
What's the process? But the simple process is that you first go to the embassy,
Yeah.
you tell them your interest.
Yeah.
You then sit down, then their responsibility is to help you understand the dynamics and what's really happening so that you can understand you're walking into a real war zone here. Then you can then say, I understand the situation that side, whether it's political or economic, doesn't matter. I understand what's going on. And if perhaps they think you don't understand, they can even give you a questionnaire.
Yeah.
And you must answer that thing to say, no, you actually understand what you're talking about. Then an indemnity will be put on the table. You sign indemnities. Indemnity is not only an indemnity for the sake of indemnity, it's also a document that speaks of your expertise. So if you know that you say that when are you competent at rifles, if they want to check and they want proof of it, you must supply proof of it. If you say when are you a doctor and you want to help the guys that are injured in the battlefields, you must give us the paperwork, Dr. Kokai, so they can embassy can do its due diligence. Once everything checks out, off you go. When you get that side, you get deployed into your set of expertise to say, hey, the guy is sniper. Yeah, key extra. The guy, just like that.
Yeah. Thank you kindly for allowing us into your own space. Rapper manje makhona ubuholo endlini leadership. This is what we do. Rapper ke senginikezela yena ukuthi asivalele. I'm interested in your future endeavors.
Sure.
What the future holds for Nhlanhla Lux.
Sure.
As in a person, as an entity, because you move as a unit. Nentwana ezibhayo empowerile, unesipano sichunayo, kunama rehabs owaphinile. Kunento abangazikeni abanye abantu onto ozipushayo. So mina that's how I'm signing off and I'm out. To God be the glory for what he has done. Share the leadership Nhlanhla Lux. We also tata off to the next episode. Salute.
Yeah, so I just want to send a big message to everybody that's watching to say that we all have responsibility. There's no one man that's going to come from the sky. Auna Superman that will come into your communities, your country, your household to save you. It's all on you. You have to rise. You have to make sure that you show serious leadership in your families. Take responsibility for your own life before another person's life. Otherwise, and what's also important for people to understand is that Nhlanhla Lux is not promising to come to your house and save you. Nhlanhla Lux promises to partner with you to save you. We are saving the nation together. So I just want to let people know that we've got rehabs. I've got a rehab in the Eastern Cape, Matatiele. I've got a rehab in the Free State. More rehabs are coming across different provinces to ensure that we also contribute in this fight and war against drugs and addiction in general. So there's big programs that are currently on. I don't like over advertising some of these things because of we're dealing with spirits at dark. You know, as soon as you let the enemy know what your plan is, and the enemy is watching, not to say that you are the enemy, but the enemy is watching with you. When we get 1 million views, just know that at least 20% of those views is the devil himself and his angels that we're watching. So don't get too excited for these views. So we'd rather deliver more than just talking. So with that said, Nhlanhla Lux, Commanders Money.